What were you doing at 8 p.m. yesterday?
I was watching a movie at 8 p.m. yesterday.
Where were you going when I saw you?
I was going to the market when you saw me.
What were you reading last night?
I was reading an English novel last night.
Why were you running in the park?
I was running in the park for exercise.
Who were you talking to on the phone?
I was talking to my friend on the phone.
What was he doing at that time?
He was cleaning his room at that time.
Where was he working last week?
He was working in the city office last week.
Why was he shouting so loudly?
He was shouting because he was angry.
What was he watching on TV?
He was watching a football match on TV.
Who was he meeting at the cafe?
He was meeting his cousin at the cafe.
What was she wearing yesterday?
She was wearing a red dress yesterday.
Where was she sitting in the classroom?
She was sitting near the window in the classroom.
Why was she crying in the evening?
She was crying because she lost her phone.
What was she writing in her notebook?
She was writing an essay in her notebook.
Who was she waiting for at the bus stop?
She was waiting for her brother at the bus stop.
What were they doing in the kitchen?
They were cooking dinner in the kitchen.
Where were they staying during the holidays?
They were staying at their uncle's house during the holidays.
Why were they laughing so much?
They were laughing because the joke was funny.
What were they discussing in the meeting?
They were discussing a new business plan in the meeting.
Who were they helping yesterday?
They were helping their neighbor yesterday.
What was it doing outside?
It was raining outside.
Why was it making a strange noise?
It was making a strange noise because it was broken.
Where was it falling from?
It was falling from the tree.
What was it showing on the screen?
It was showing an error message on the screen.
How was it working before?
It was working perfectly before.
What was Ali doing at that time?
Ali was studying for his exams at that time.
Where was Ali playing football?
Ali was playing football in the school ground.
Why was Ali looking tired?
Ali was looking tired because he was working hard.
Who was Ali meeting yesterday?
Ali was meeting his teacher yesterday.
What was Ali buying from the shop?
Ali was buying some snacks from the shop.
What were the children doing in the garden?
The children were playing hide and seek in the garden.
Where were the children going in the morning?
The children were going to school in the morning.
Why were the children shouting loudly?
The children were shouting because they were excited.
What were the children drawing in the class?
The children were drawing animals in the class.
Who were the children following?
The children were following their teacher.
What was your teacher explaining yesterday?
My teacher was explaining the past continuous tense yesterday.
Where was your teacher teaching?
My teacher was teaching in the main classroom.
Why was your teacher smiling?
My teacher was smiling because everyone answered correctly.
What was your teacher writing on the board?
My teacher was writing grammar rules on the board.
Who was your teacher talking to after class?
My teacher was talking to a parent after class.
What was the dog doing in the yard?
The dog was barking in the yard.
Why was the dog running around?
The dog was running because it saw a cat.
Where was the dog sleeping yesterday?
The dog was sleeping near the door yesterday.
Who was the dog playing with?
The dog was playing with the kids.
What was the dog eating in the kitchen?
The dog was eating bones in the kitchen.
What were your friends doing last night?
My friends were watching a movie last night.
Where were your friends sitting at the party?
My friends were sitting near the stage at the party.
Why were your friends singing loudly?
My friends were singing loudly because they were happy.
Who were your friends visiting yesterday?
My friends were visiting their grandparents yesterday.
What were your friends wearing at the event?
My friends were wearing traditional clothes at the event.
What was your mother cooking yesterday?
My mother was cooking biryani yesterday.
Where was your mother going in the morning?
My mother was going to the market in the morning.
Why was your mother cleaning the house?
My mother was cleaning the house because guests were coming.
Who was your mother helping in the kitchen?
My mother was helping my sister in the kitchen.
What was your mother saying on the phone?
My mother was saying she would come later.
What was your father repairing in the garage?
My father was repairing his car in the garage.
Where was your father working last year?
My father was working in a bank last year.
Why was your father reading the newspaper?
My father was reading the newspaper to check the news.
Who was your father talking to?
My father was talking to his colleague.
What was your father wearing yesterday?
My father was wearing a white shirt yesterday.
What was this boy doing in the park?
This boy was feeding the birds in the park.
Where was this girl going after school?
This girl was going to her friend's house after school.
Why was this man standing outside?
This man was standing outside because he was waiting for a bus.
What was this woman carrying in her bag?
This woman was carrying some books in her bag.
Who was this child playing with?
This child was playing with his sister.
What were your classmates doing during the lecture?
My classmates were taking notes during the lecture.
Where were your classmates sitting?
My classmates were sitting in the last row.
Why were your classmates laughing in class?
My classmates were laughing because the teacher cracked a joke.
Who were your classmates helping in the exam?
My classmates were helping each other in the exam.
What were your classmates planning after school?
My classmates were planning a picnic after school.
What was the driver doing on the road?
The driver was fixing his car on the road.
Where was the driver going that night?
The driver was going to Lahore that night.
Why was the driver waiting near the station?
The driver was waiting for passengers near the station.
Who was the driver talking to?
The driver was talking to the traffic police.
What was the driver carrying in the truck?
The driver was carrying fruits in the truck.
What were the workers doing at the site?
The workers were building a new wall at the site.
Where were the workers working yesterday?
The workers were working near the bridge yesterday.
Why were the workers shouting?
The workers were shouting to move the materials quickly.